Okay, hello everyone. In last video we have seen how to derive the mirror formula in case of concave mirror when the real image was forming. Okay, now in this video we will see how we can derive the same mirror formula when the concave mirror is forming the virtual image, है ना? So when ये कॉन्केव मिरर है और ये कॉन्केव मिरर जब वर्चुअल इमेज फॉर्म करता है तो उस केस में भी अपने को सेम फॉर्मूला derive करना है. The process will be same as it was before, but just the condition is changed. In the previous condition there was the real image, and now in this condition the concave mirror is forming the virtual image. So here this concave mirror is there, and when the object is placed between P and F, between pole and focus, the image forms is virtual behind, and it is erect behind the mirror, and it is erect. So this object is placed here between P and F. So this distance PF is your focal length. This distance P and C, this is from pole to the center of curvature, that is called radius of curvature. So I can write R, or I can write R is equals to 2F. Okay, then the object is placed here. So this distance PB we will call it, that is U. Okay, and all these distances are measured from pole to the left. So all these values of the distance will be placed in with negative sign. Okay, so if I will write PB, so that PB from pole to the negative side, that will be written as minus U. And if I will write PF, so that PF will be written as minus F, because towards the negative. Then PC it is also towards left, so either I can write it minus R, or either I can write it minus 2F. So the image is forming on the right hand side of the mirror. Okay, and from the pole, this distance, this PB dash here, this distance is called as the image distance, and it is towards right. So this PB image distance we will take positive. PB dash we will take positive V. We are not going to take the negative V. So these are the values. Keep in mind we have the distance, and now when we substitute the value of those distance, we put those value along with their sign, negative or positive, whatever we are going to have, that values we are going to put here. U will be negative because it is always towards the left. Focal length is real, that's why it is negative. Radius of curvature is negative because it is in left. Image distance will be positive. So now starting the derivation, so we will start with the two things. Okay, here we will take a triangle. First we will draw a line. This is, suppose this is the point of incidence. Suppose just analyze the diagram, ray diagram. This is the object AB. Okay, and we have drawn its ray diagram. So from an object, one line from point A, and our line is going parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it is passing through the focus. And second line is going like it is going through the center of curvature. So it will reflect back along the same path. And these two lines are not going to intersect here because both are divergent. So this appears to be there intersecting at this point where the image is forming, which is known as A dash B dash. So that is our diagram. Now in this we will do, suppose this was at this point, that is suppose called L. From L we will draw a perpendicular on the principal axis, and this point we can call it N. And P and N are very much closer. Okay, P and N are very much closer. So I can write it, suppose this LN, LP I can write LN. And here this AB and LN both will be equal because this is the line between the parallel. Sorry, these both lines are parallel to each other and they are drawn between the parallel lines. So by geometry we can write LN is equals to AB. Okay, this is the relation. Now we will take two triangles. Which two triangles we are going to take? first triangle, suppose we will take triangle FNL, or so better we call it FLN. Triangle FLN. This I will draw it here. This triangle FLN. FL, and here it is triangle N. This is first triangle. And another triangle we will take FA dash B dash. FA dash B dash. FA dash B dash. Okay, this you from this diagram I have drawn separately. FLN and FA dash B dash. So what you can say, these both the triangles are similar to each other. How they are similar? This angle is common in both. Second triangle we are taking F A dash B dash. So here what is happening? This angle is common in both, and this is also making of how much angle? 90 degree, both angles. So by A similarity you can say this both the triangles are similar to each other. FLN and F dash A dash B dash. So what I can do here, that I can write in this case, if this is similar, so LN upon A dash B dash I can write equals to FN is equals to upon F dash B dash. Means suppose here this LN upon AB, this distance, is equals to FN upon FB dash. Okay, both the triangle. So this upon this is equals to this upon this distance. This upon this is equals to this upon this distance. Here if we see, so N and P point are very much close to each other. So instead of writing Fn, I will write it Fp. Okay. Instead of writing Fn, I will write Fp because these 2 points are very much close to each other. Then here Ln. This Ln. Ln we have written, we can write it AB. This here. Ln is equals to AB. So AB upon A dash B dash is equals to Fn we have written Fp, and here the second is Fb. Fb. We have to write in the terms of these values. So Fb dash we can write this Fp plus Pb dash. Okay. Fb dash we will write Fp plus Pb dash. Fp plus Pb dash is equals to Fb dash. So Fp plus Pb dash. Okay, this is our equation 1. Now leave it here. Now we will see another triangle. Another triangle we can see this one. ABC, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, triangle ABC, and triangle A dash B dash C, A dash B dash and C. Triangle A dash B dash and C, A dash B dash and C. This is also the same kind of triangle. Here this is, you can say AB, and if you will extend that, so this is A dash B dash C. So this angle again is common. This is both of 90 degrees. So both the triangle are similar. So you can write triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C are similar to each other. So here also we can write, what we can write, AB upon A dash B dash is equals to CB upon CB dash. CB dash. CB upon CB dash. Now this CB from here to here we don't have any values. So what I will do it, I will write this CB in form of CP minus PB. Okay, CP minus PB. CB can be written as CP minus PB. Okay, this CP is there, उसमें से PB सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, तुम्हारे पास केवल क्या बचेगा, CB. इस पूरे CP से PB सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया अपन ने, तो केवल CB बचेगा. Then CB dash, CB dash, I will write CP plus PB dash, है ना, पूरा इधर से इधर तक की वैल्यू CP plus PB dash. So CP plus PB PB dash. So AB upon A dash B dash is equals to CP minus PB upon CP plus PB dash. This is equation 2. And by equation 1 and 2, what we can write, both are equals to A by B, A dash, AB upon AB dash, AB upon AB dash. So this term, right hand side of, if the left hand side of both the equations are equal, so right hand side of the both the equation will also be equal. So I will write here FP upon FP plus PB dash is equals to CP minus PB upon CP plus PB dash. This. Okay, this I have written. Now here you can substitute their usual values. What values we have written here? So FP, what FP or PF is equals to, we can write minus F. 1 minute. This I will write minus FP, I will write minus F, and then again FP, so again minus PB dash, PB dash, PB dash was plus V is equals to CP. What is the value of CP or PC? Minus 2F, minus R, instead of putting minus R I will put minus 2F, minus 2F minus PB. PB is minus U, so this minus is there and value of PB is minus, so minus U upon CP. What is the value of CP? PC, same thing, minus 2F plus PB dash. PB dash is plus V. Okay, this is there, and that is also plus V, so plus plus plus. Now we will solve this. First eliminate the unusual kind of minus sign. So this minus minus will be multiplied and this will become plus. Okay, and this plus plus will be multiplied, this will also become plus. This sign you can remove. So this will become your U minus 2F, or let it be like this only. So this minus, if you will take out from denominator, so we can write it, and we will, if we will cancel, so you can write it F minus V. अगर इसमें से माइनस कॉमन निकालने हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा तुम्हारे पास, माइनस कॉमन निकालोगे तो माइनस ये हो जाएगा, और फिर माइनस माइनस एक दूसरे से क्या हो जाएंगे, कैंसिल, तो ये अपन ने कैंसिल कर दिया. सो F माइनस V is equals to, you can write 2 U minus 2F V minus 2F. Now just cross multiply it. So F into V minus 2F and F minus V U minus 2F. So this will become FV this will become minus 2FV, this will become FU, and then minus 2F, sorry, my F into F minus 2F square. And this was this, yes, sorry, it was wrong na? F into V, so FV, and this F is multiplied with just 2, so 2F square. Similarly, F is multiplied with V, we multiply, so FU, and then F is multiplied with 2F, so 2F square. Then minus is multiplied with, so minus UV, and then this is multiplied, so this will become minus 2FV. Okay, minus minus, it will become plus. This minus FU, and then minus F is multiplied with minus 2F, so it will become plus 2F. So what will be cancelled here? Minus 2F square and minus 2F square will be cancelled. You will have FV is equals to FU minus UV plus 2FV. Okay, so I will take UV this side. So UV this side I will take, so this will become plus UV, then FU, and this FV, and here is left 2FV, and this will come here, so minus FV. This will become UV FU plus FV. Okay, now divide all equation by U, V and F. If you will divide all of them, UV plus FU plus FV by UVF by UVF by UVF. So UV and UV cancelled, you will get 1 upon F here. F and U cancelled, F and U cancelled, F and V. F and V. So here is left 1 upon F, this side is left 1 upon V, and there it is left 1 upon U. This will be your mirror formula. Okay, in case of concave mirror, when it is forming the virtual image. Okay, thank you.